Good morning. I wanted to make a video on detox symptoms. People when they start their detox journey or raw veganism journey, they have certain challenges, and actually, those are not challenges; they are cleansing facts. So, you should listen to this video anytime you feel you are having some issues while you're detoxing. So, let's understand why do they happen in first place. See, we ate wrongly for many years, you know animal based foods or processed foods or heavily dense cooked foods like grains and legumes, oils, all of that stuff. Now, and I've talked about that, digestion of such food is an issue, because if you're mixing too many different kind of foods, and body requires different digestive juices to digest those, so it gets confused when you're eating too many different types of foods at one go, and also when you're eating too frequently. So there are three things which is important: when you what you eating, how frequently you eating, and how much you are eating. Right now, when you start your detoxing journey, when you go on a natural food diet, you should do it gradually. When you're transitioning, the body will start uh, throwing out the unwanted chemistry which was deposited, but now it has freedom from digestion, because we keep our bodies busy for many hours in a day, digesting foods, it's not getting enough time and energy to eliminate those, because elimination is also very important for it to uh, really cleanse itself and then be ready to do the other stuff. But we keep it busy with digesting in intake of 4 5 times, or at least 3 times of unnatural foods. So all your chemical deposits, all your toxins, all your acids, all your mucus, they body wants to throw them out. And whenever uh, they get dissolved, when you start taking natural diet, these old unwanted chemistry and substances and feces, they get dissolved, and they come in circulation of toxins, acids, mucus, etc., before they are flushed out completely or filtered through kidneys. So when they come in circulation in the body, because they were deposited deep in the tissues, when they come in the circulation, you would get certain challenges, like fever may happen, and it's happening for good. Body raises temperature to to make you rest, to make you stop from eating, and then you know deal with those unwanted chemistry and substances so that it filters it out effectively. Cough and cold again is that mucus which is hardened mucus, which is now getting dissolved and melting, will come out of the body for good. So that's when the cold, and you would have mucus coming out. So that's good. You may get some headaches, because that's where the cleansing is happening, right? You might get some dizziness because all the unwanted chemistry now in the circulation before it goes out eventually, right? Pains again, your healing energy is being channelized by the body, because and you have those obstructions where, like, acids and mucus accumulations where in different tissues in different areas. So wherever that accumulation was, you would see pain, because that thing is now getting emptied, that is now getting removed, right? So you should not worry about these things. Vomiting, if body is a remarkable and natural way to detox out all the unwanted chemistry again, right? Loose motions, again, a very good way of bodies throwing out all the accumulated toxins in the colon. So fever, cold, cough, dizziness, headaches, vomiting, loose motions, skin issues, tongue ulcers, all these are very mild detox symptoms, and they happen for good, because the body is releasing now acids and toxins, which we take them as some sort of diseases and start taking vaccines and medicines, which is absolutely wrong. So let body detox and never worry about those. So here it is what you should do. If you're getting a fever, just rest at home, don't do any job, just rest, and keep your body hydrated with water and juices, that's it. And whenever you want to drink or eat anything, it should be primarily juices or some light fruits, watery fruits, and just relax for 3 4 days. It'll go on its own. You don't need to take any medicines, you don't need to suppress this unnaturally by taking any chemicals. They are all just suppressing chemicals and drugs. They just dull body's nerve energy, energy to detox basically. So you don't have to suppress that detox, you have to let it happen, you have to rather promote it so that cleansing happens. So these are all cleansing facts, these are not sicknesses or diseases as the medical industry has termed out, right? So never worry about those symptoms at all. And if you are getting too much of them, that means what, that you've done aggressive detox, and then you should kind of slow it down a bit. Stop maybe taking too many juices or fruits or fasting. You can eat some cooked vegetables, etc., to kind of slow it down, so that body kind of then gets a break from detoxing also. So that is how one has to manage and not get worried about. You might get initial constipation or irregular bowel movement, but that again, the old feces which are there deposited in your colon for many years now getting dissolved, and they want, before it goes out, it's there. So the initial constipation may happen, right? So you don't have to worry about all of those. It's a temporary thing. Okay, so I have made this video for especially for my clients who start detoxing, face these symptoms, and and they kind of slightly get scared that fruits are making me sick. Fruits will never make you sick. They are actually helping your body uh, channelize its energy, because it's now free from digestion. Fruits digest easily and they absorb, and you can utilize all the nutrients, and from there, and then you don't need anything else. So once you have energy available from digestion, the body is actually eliminating effectively, and also eliminating the old unwanted chemistry. So they don't cause any issues. They are natural foods for humans. It's that your old issues which are there in the body, they are getting cleansed, right? So never confuse and never worry about all those things, and just keep detoxing. And it's okay to take a break once in a while, give body a break for even from detoxing. But then again, once you feel okay, then you start again. All right, take care.